Yoga outside, unleashing the power of nature for enhanced stretching and relaxation. Breathing in the fresh air, feeling the grass beneath your feet, hearing the rustling leaves over your head. Welcome to the world of outdoor yoga, connecting with nature while flexing your body. Outdoor yoga is not just a workout, it's a full-blown sensory experience. The gentle caress of the sun on your skin, the soft chirping of birds, all sync to your rhythm, amplifying your practice. Let's start with the tree pose. Feel the ground beneath you, drawing strength from the earth. Raise your hands, reach out to the sky, and balance your body like a sturdy tree. Next, let's transition into the warrior pose. Like a warrior, face the sun and stretch your arms wide. Feel the energy coursing through your veins as you inhale and exhale. Moving forward, we step into the downward dog pose. Raise your hips high, press your hands and feet into the ground, and let gravity deepen your stretch. Feel your tension melt away. Now we'll transition into the cobra pose. Lay flat on your stomach, push your upper body up, and stretch your back. Imagine a snake shedding its skin, leaving behind all burdens and stress. Next, we're onto the seated forward bend. Sit straight, stretch out your legs, and bend down, reaching for your toes. Feel the stretch along your spine and let your mind clear. The child's pose comes next. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Breathe in the calmness, breathe out all the worries. Let's move on to the bridge pose. Lying on your back, lift your hips upward, arms beneath you. Picture a bridge spanning over a river, connecting two lands, just like your body and mind. Now, we get into the boat pose. Balance on your sitting bones, lift your legs, and stretch out your arms. Imagine you're a boat, floating effortlessly on calm waters. Next up, the crow pose. Balance your knees on your elbows, lift your feet off the ground. Believe in your strength. You are lighter than air. And finally, end with the corpse pose. Lay flat on your back, arms and legs spread out, and close your eyes. Surrender yourself to nature, to peace, to relaxation. You've sought power from the earth, courage from the sun, strength from gravity. You've become one with nature. That's the magic of practicing yoga outdoors. Remember to take this journey as often as you can. Embrace the beauty of nature and let its energy flow through you. Outdoor yoga, a path to stretching, relaxation, and inner peace.